Hello friends, today we are going to be looking into authorization. In this video, I'm going to be give you the clear explanations difference between authentication and authorizations. What is authentications? Authentications nothing but validating your username and password, which means verifying your identity. Take us one real-time example, Office. So you can take your ID card. So before entering your office room, what you will be do? You are swiping your ID card. Then only the door will open and you are allowed to entering into the room, right? So when you are swiping your ID card, what happened? Your ID name and some fingerprint will be verified by the server. If it is right means then only the door will open and you are allowing to entering into the room, right? This is the authentication. Again, I'm going to be tell you another one example, website. Take us Facebook or Amazon or Twitter. First you have to done your registration. Once you will be done registration, then you will be go to the login page. You can enter username and password. Click on login button. That time only you can able to access the Facebook homepage or Twitter homepage or Amazon homepage, right? If it is give you the wrong credential, what happen? You are not allowed to access those page. So this is the authentication. What is authorizations? So here authorization means it is the identity that the specific person will able to access those page or not. I'm going to be tell you one example which is the same previous example of authentication. Take us office. Once you are swiping ID card in office room, you are allowed to entering the office room if it is right. The same ID card you are going to be swiping inside in server room. The server room only allowed for the IT team people only, right? The IT team only can able to access the server room. The normal employee does not allowed to entering into the server room, right? The server room only access by IT support team only. The office room will access by IT employee, right? So again, I'm going to be tell you another one example. Information files or database. Take us one example. Database. There is a difference between user and admin. Admin can able to manage all the database. User does not allow to access the database, right? Here user and admin both are can able to do the authentication, but authorizations means, so what are the files you can able to access? What are the rights you are having? User having rights only the front end level, admin having access to back end level. So the authorization will ensure what is the page you have access. Okay, so this is the example I'm going to be tell you. Here I'm going to be give you the one screenshot which is the one user entering one page, entering username and password, which is identify the user. The authentications done before the authorizations. The authorization will be done after the authentication. So once you can enter the room, inside room, what are the room you can able to access? Once you can entering into the website, what are the pages you can able to access? So this is the authorizations. So you can everyone can able to enter the website, but inside the website what are the pages you can able to access? It is decided by the authorizations. Okay, simple term, access rights to the user which is done by authorizations. Okay, so authentication only login, authorizations will give you the access rights. Okay, so this is the page you can able to access. So this page you are not able to access. This is the way the authorization will be confirmed what are the access rights you have. Okay, this is the concept difference between authentication and authorization. Okay, thank you guys.